Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautifully rustic twine leaves. I am obsessed with these. I think they're so cute, so easy, and so simple, and they're so customizable as well. That's what my favorite thing about DIYs is. You can customize them to your own taste, so you can change the color, you can change the material. It's all your own preference. But I seen this picture on Pinterest, and I just thought that was such a simple and amazing idea. I couldn't find out who originally first thought of it. If I did, I definitely put it up. Yeah, I just love these so much. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make one yourself. And the best thing is you can make them your own size as well. So if you wanted a big one or a small one, you can change up the sizes. Okay, so what you're going to need for this DIY is two things. Just a scissors and twine, or a scissors and wool, or a scissors and whatever you want to make these out of. Okay, so how to make it. First of all, you're going to take your twine and cut about 60 centimeters, a strand about 60 centimeters long. It doesn't have to be exact, it's just kind of a rough kind of eyeball idea. I'd recommend going a bit longer than you want to make though, just in case you need extra space. Then you want to take that strand and fold in half and tie a knot at the end. Then you need to cut another strand about 20 centimeters. You're going to use these to build the leaf. You're going to need to tie it to the first piece by just a simple knot in the middle. Then just do this until you're satisfied with the length. Then once you've reached your desired length, you need to tie another knot at the end of it just to secure it. Then just cut out the shape of your leaf or feather. This is completely up to you. If you want to make it fatter, wider, rounder, bendier, it's all up to you. And once you're happy with your shape, you're done. Okay guys, so that's how to make this feather. It's so easy, I know, like literally anyone can do this. It just takes a bit of time and patience, so you can put a movie on in the background or listen to music while you're doing it. It's just a nice kind of relaxing thing to do. You could use this for so many different things. You can make a few of them and then tie them together with a piece of twine, and it has this kind of acts like bunting then. Really cute for a bedroom, or you can even hang them to shelves. You can hang them up, you can tie them around bottles. You know, if you have a bottle, you could tie it around the top of it. You could use it when you're wrapping presents. You could put this on it, you know, not for Christmas really. Well, I mean, you could use it for Christmas presents, but it's more kind of summery, spring kind of vibes I get off this. You can hang it onto your door. Guys, the options are limitless with this, and it's so simple and easy to make, which makes it even better. So there you have it guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!